Here we have a report, a teaser of another gigafactory. I know you love the word. You're keeping me honest on the word here. Gigafactory, big factory. This is an image a render that was shared on Elon Musk's Twitter account, and it's for Berlin. And this, I don't know what you think about these renders. It looks pretty futuristic. Mm-hmm. He's got the Tesla semi trucks all lined up on the side of it. He made a couple jokes as well, suggesting that there would be a swimming pool on top. I think he might be joking about. I don't know. I don't think he actually means that's going to happen. This model or this gigafactory is likely going to be for the Model Y, the new Model Y, I believe. Mm-hmm. Let's see here. Behind the clean, futuristic theme of Gigafactory Berlin, the facility is evidently optimized for efficiency. A look at the sides of the facility shows that it is filled with loading bays for trucks. This is similar to Tesla's strategy in Gigafactory Shanghai. The Model 3 ramp, after all, has been amazingly smooth in Shanghai. So obviously the Chinese Model 3s or Model 3s destined for China now coming out of Shanghai directly. I believe this one's going to be for the Model Y, though. I'm fairly certain. And a lot of interest, a lot of attention has been placed on the Model Y. That's a nice image. That's a cool image.
I saw this one. I was trying to look for it.
What is that? That's like some sort of just a water feature in front?
With the pool, yeah.
I don't...
With the pool up there.
Oh, it does have a pool.
So, yeah.
It does have a pool on the roof and some... Okay.
Some tanning
Yeah, maybe they do it. It's pretty cool. Those are solar panels on top. Very futuristic. And one thing you don't see, apparently, that's been hidden in the design is the smokestacks, the chimneys. You don't see any chimneys, which is kind of typical when you're looking at a large facility. So this is, according to Elon Musk, 20 minutes from the new international airport and 30 minutes from Berlin. And it'll have its own train station. Now, I've been to Berlin a few times because that's where IFA happens. Mm-hmm. And the airport is a little... The Tegel airport is old.
It's a little rickety.
Yeah, I mean, it's a bit weird. It has some charm to it, but this is a big deal. They're getting a new big international airport and a new big Tesla gigafactory. That city's going modern.
It's going places, yeah.
And that's kind of cool.